Hi guys, if you want to understand how Sellapy storefront looks like, or you want to understand how a converting product page look like on Sellapy, this video is for you. A lot of our sellers seem not to understand how to create a converting storefront, and this video is for you, is your guide to follow, so that you can create a storefront and a product page that actually converts. So I'm gonna use Vonic Tech storefront as my example here. So let's see why the page loads. So I'm going to use Vonic storefront as my case study. Just looking at the page alone, you can actually tell what the brand stands for. You can actually tell in the way they've crafted their banner, the way they've modernized their logo, and the way they've tell their story in a different way just on the front page of their storefront alone. Even when you just navigate back briefly and look at their mini storefront here on Sellapy, you can see that you can tell straight away what this storefront is talking about. You can tell that this is about hearing aids. So if we now navigate back into the store, into their storefront, you can tell their color, which is their main color here is blue and white. You can tell, and if you see the way they crafted their logo as well, it actually stand out as well. And you can see the way they just in 3 words let the whole world know what they believe in. Clarity changes everything. It's quite straightforward and it does have meaning, and you can see the image they use on their storefront as well. It does really make sense. So let's just take a look at their product as well, the product they've got on their storefront. You can see the way they crafted their product as well. It really rings bell. It sound the voice of their brand. You can see the product they have in their store. You can see the Vonic Veil, you can see the Vonic Nova. You can see the way they just crafted their product title to match their store brand as well, or brand title. So let's just look at how a typical store page look like within their store as well. You can see clearly the way they are able to point out what their brand stand for with their product title alone. You can see the Vonic Veil, the ultra invisible clarity system, which still match the brand story they try to tell their stuff font as well. And you can see clearly that they've got some wholesale price which differentiates a lot of discount from the actual price they are selling as well. So they've been able to give some incentives in terms of the sales of the actual price, and they further downsize the price with the MOQ differentiator and discounting as well. You can see when you scroll downward, you can see that they've been able to even craft offers as well. They've been able to craft offer of buy 2 for 10% discount, and buy 3 for 13% discount, or buy 4 for 15% discount. You can tell that they've been able to create offer that actually attract customer, that make customer want to purchase from them. Let's just move away from the bundle offers or their price packages. Now let's look deeply into their images, store images as well. You can tell the way they've crafted their store images that captures some of the functionalities of the hearing aids that they are trying to sell here. You can imagine the way the image is being optimized. You don't have to struggle before you understand exactly what product they are selling. I think all this make their store to really convert. And if you look further in terms of their product description, they are able to give a clear description alongside the feature and benefit of their products. This really makes them stand out because customer can actually read between the lines how this product benefits them. So let's see how they've been able to embed the FAQs, the frequently asked questions, as well. You can see that they actually iterated some FAQ questions that can guide and help their customer to make quick decision without thinking twice. So this is a well crafted product page that actually converts. And the beauty about this product page is they have different checkout options. You can check out to buy a single product, and you can check out to buy a bundle offer. As well, you can even buy in wholesale supply as well, which they've been able to identify the MOQs that they can actually supply you with a better or with a very good price. This is really outstanding. So let's look what are the other benefits this product page signifies here. You can see that customer can chat directly to the seller on the product page. You can see the chat now button, and obviously in case the buyer wants to send this product to a friend, you can actually share the product as well via Facebook, Twitter, or via WhatsApp to a friend or for viral purposes as well. These are outstanding features that make the Sellapy product page really stand out from all other stuff front or product page that I've seen in recent time. You can see that they've been able to provide some Galleria display of further images as well, aside from those images that we will find at the top of the page as well. And other further description and the storefront as well. If you really want to know the store that is selling this particular product, once you click on the store, you can see the name of the store owner as well, aside from you navigating back to the storefront. And you can actually message the seller directly on the store page as well. And within the product page as well, there are more products from the store that are displayed as well. This is a perfect product page that actually capture the attention of the buyer easily. And it will be nice if you can emulate this kind of beauty when you are creating your product page. You can see that the Vonic storefront is actually very, very outstanding. Let's look at another storefront as an example again. Let's look at the So let's look at Lunara storefront as well as another example. You can see, looking at the storefront alone, you can tell straight away what this store is saying. You can tell straight away what this store is selling. You can tell the brand, what their brand is all about. You can easily understand their brand story. Even looking at the banner alone, we say stop letting cramps control your day. You can tell that this is human or ladies care. This is a menstrual care storefront. And you can see the way they crafted their logo as well, that is outstanding, that is attention driven within the women category. And you can see the way they've crafted their store product as well with branded store. This is what we're talking about when we talk about niche branding. This is a typical example of it. We are not just creating anyhow product here. We are creating products that is solving a problem within a particular niche. And you can see the way they've niche down and brand each and every one of these products with their brand. You can see the Lunara Flow Cup Kit, you can see the Lunara Flow Care Elite Kit, and you can see the Lunara Steam Sterilizer. These are outstanding packages that actually speaks to their customer. So I just said I will just use this as a second example, and we can briefly just look at their store page, their product page as well, which is well organized, and they've got a lot of discounts, and they've been able to identify in detail their product details, and some they include what is included in the product bundle, why women love their products, the key benefits their customers will get, and they are able to even identify some FAQs as well, which are these are really outstanding way of designing a store or a product page, rather a product page. And you can see some beautiful images that they've carved together here, and as well as some product description, as well as how you can get in touch with the store or with their brand. This is the type of stores we want our brand owners to emulate. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video so far, thank you, and in the next video we'll be talking about niche hub, how the niche hub actually works, and how you can benefit your customer using the niche hub. See you in the next one. Thank you.